Good morning guys, our ongoing topic that is networking devices, and the topic is there in computers networking unit. So in the previous video we discussed already about connectors, about hub, switch, then network interface card, then this one Wi-Fi cards. We have discussed already about these different common networking devices. Here few more networking devices are available in the market. By these devices we can connect two different networks with each other, right? Till now, hub and switch, right? If you connect your computers, if you connect computers in a room by using star topology network, then what we are going to place? We just place hub or switch in the room, and by using hub or switch we are going to connect these different computers with each other. So it is known as segment 1. Now suppose if the same work we can do in the junior computer lab, it is a separate network, right? Suppose here in our senior computer lab we put switch, and with the help of switch we connect our 30 PCs. In the junior computer lab we purchased hub and connect all these pieces by using hub. So here two different network segments are created. First network segment, it is our senior computer lab. Second network segment, it is our junior computer lab. Now the question is, if we want to connect these two separate segments with each other, senior computer lab with junior computer lab, if we want to connect these two labs with each other, then which particular device we have to purchase from the market? Right here, just see the very first device of today's lecture. It is known as bridge, right? Two different devices are here. The first one, it is bridge, and the second one, it is router. Both the devices are applicable to connect two different network segments with each other. Do not confuse here. If you want to create one network segment only, just purchase hub, just purchase switch, connect all the pieces with the hub or switch, and prepare and create the network according to star topology style, right? And if you choose bus topology, then no hub, no switch is needed. Clear? Just connect all the pieces with a central wire that is connected on the wall, that is coaxial cable wire. Connect all the pieces with this coaxial cable wire. Here in bus topology, no hub, no switch is required, right? Now the topic is, our today's lecture is related with how to connect two different network segments, how to connect two entirely different networks with each other, right? So here, first take the example of bridge. Bridge is a networking device, means it is a hardware only. Just keep in mind, all these devices are the hardware. It is not a software. Clear? So what is there in bridge? Bridge is used to link two networks together. Just see the first point. It is used to link two different networks, or you can say two different network segments. Senior computer lab, junior computer lab, if you want to connect these two different network segments, just purchase a bridge from the market, right? If you want to see the image of the bridge is a two-port device only. It has two ports only. The first one, it is here, just we can say incoming port, and this one it is, we can say, outgoing port, right? Bridge is a two-port device only. Clear? So junior computer lab, and here it is senior computer lab. If you want to connect these two segments, just add one bridge in between the network, right? Bridge, and just take one wire from this lab, take another wire from this lab, and connect the wires of these two different labs with this bridge. Done. Now the next thing, it works on same protocol network. If the protocol of senior lab and junior lab are same, then only bridge will work. If you are having different protocol, then you should purchase router. We will discuss protocol later in the next video, right? Now the thing is, bridge works on same protocol network. Keep in mind, bridge works on same protocol network only. Now the third point, it is already covered. It has a single input and has a single output port. It is a two-port device. Clear? Come to the third line. Bridge works under the data link layer. There are 7 different layers in networking. Data link layer, then this physical layer, different layers are there. Now the concept is, here you can see 1 mark MCQ. On which particular layer bridge works? Bridge works on data link layer of OSI model of networking layers. Right? We will discuss it later on. Now the next thing, it acts as a repeater to extend the network. If you purchase a bridge from the market, you need not to purchase repeater because repeater is installed in it. What is the role of repeater? Repeater is just like amplifier. It receives the signal, amplify the signal, generate the speed of the signal, generate the quality of the signal and retransmit it inside the wire. Clear? So, acts as a repeater to extend the network. Now, where you require repeater? In a twisted pair cable, the signal carrying capacity of TPC, it is 100 meters only. You know it? Now, if the distance between two network segment is more than 100 meters, suppose 120 meter, 150 meter, 170 meter, then what happens? Your twisted pair cable cannot carry data more than 100 meter and the distance is 150 meter, then you should install repeater in between the cable. Right? Repeater means amplifier only. So, bridge acts as a repeater. It has a repeater already installed in it. Clear? Next one. The most important point related with bridge. What will happen? Just check it out. Just check the diagram. Here, 2 different network segments are there. Segment 1, suppose it is our senior computer lab. Segment 2, suppose it is our junior computer lab. Networking, internal networking is there. Already we have connected senior lab computers with each other, junior lab computers with each other. Now our work is how to connect these 2 segments. Now, just see. Senior lab, junior lab, and if you want to connect these 2 segments, we just apply bridge. We just put bridge in between these 2 labs. Now the most important work of bridge is what? Bridge works on MAC address. The thing is MAC address. A physical address that is there on network interface card of your computer. Right? Bridge works on MAC address. Now what will happen? Suppose this computer of a senior computer lab want to send something to that PC. The PC that is here also in the same segment PC. This one he want to send something to that particular computer. So the message travels like this one. Now the message approaches towards the bridge also because wires are connected. Right? All the wires are connected. Here, once the message receives at the bridge side, bridge knows that which particular computer is connected on which segment. Right? It works on MAC address. One table is there in our bridge, and then bridge identifies that the message it is of that side segment. It cannot cross the message towards the next lab. Yeah, it is smart enough to prevent the message to cross the backbone if the message is related with the same segment only. तो ये message यहाँ से इधर travel नहीं होगा, ये वहीं पे bridge filter कर देगा. Right? Now suppose this thing, if this computer of junior lab wants to send something to that PC, both the PCs are in the same segment. Right? Now the message travels like this one. The message comes here in this wire and definitely the wire is connected here. So message तो bridge के पास जाएगा. Then bridge इस message को it terminates the message. It stops the message here only and retransmit it to the same segment. Means the message cannot cross the backbone. Same segment message cannot cross the backbone, and in any condition it will not approaches here in the different segment. Right? Now the next situation, if this PC wants to send something to that PC. Both the PCs are there in different segment. It is there. It is there in Junior Computer Lab. Now, if this PC want to send something to this one, message travels from here, approaches to bridge, bridge check the message, and here bridge identifies that this message, this particular file or this particular mail, it is a cross segment mail, it is related with the another segment. Now bridge transmit this message to the next segment and it approaches here. Yeah, it is a smart device. It knows the MAC address of each and every PC, that which particular PC is connected in which particular segment. Clear? So here it is bridge. Now come here. On the second part of the board, here router. What is the role of router? Suppose you established a network in this lab. Already you have established a network. Now if you want to connect your lab computers with internet, here your lab is the example of a local area network, and you want to connect your local area network with the internet. Internet means different protocol is there. Internet works on different protocol. Your local area networking works on different protocol. Two different protocols are here. Bridge is fail under this condition. Bridge works on same protocol only. So here if you want to connect your LAN with internet, LAN protocol is different, internet protocol is different. Two different protocols. Network, if you want to connect, bridge is not sufficient for that. You just jump to the higher device, and this higher device is known as router. What is there in router? Now just see. The first point, works like a bridge. So bridge work कर रहा था, it checks the message. If the message is related with the same segment, it cannot transmit the message to the next segment, right? So it works like a bridge, but handle different protocols. Router is somehow smarter than bridge. Clear? Then it forwards data from one network to another. The bridge is also act like this only. So it forwards data from one network to another, and the third one can be used with local area network and wide area network. If you want to connect your local area network with a particular wide area network, you require router, right? Next one, the difference. Here it is the difference. What is this? It works on IP address, IP, Internet Protocol address. If you access internet on your PC has a specific IP address. Internet works on IP address only, right? Whereas local area networking, if you want to send a message from one PC of your network to another PC of your network, your local area networking works on MAC address. Two different type of addresses are here. MAC is the physical address of your PC. IP, it is the logical address of your PC. You can change your IP address as according to your style, right? So it works on IP address. Now the special thing that is there with this router, just check it out. What is this one? It has a routing table, the very important thing. Here also you can find some questions. What is routing table? Or routing table is installed in which particular networking devices, right? It has a routing table that is refreshed periodically, right? Automatically the routing table is refreshed by the router. Then according to the changes, it refreshed periodically according to the changes in the network, right? Right now you are having 7 PC in your network and the routing table is different. After 1 month you install 3 more PCs in your network. Now the total number of PCs are 10. According to that one, router refresh the routing table, right? In order to transmit data packets, it consults the table and uses a routing protocol, right? Where this routing table required. If router is going to send data packets to the specific computer, then router first check the location of that PC, check the IP address of that PC, and then check the proper route which route is available to transmit the data on that particular computer. This route is defined in this routing table. Right? So according to it concerns the table and uses a routing protocol. Now just see the diagram. Here it is my local area network. It is internet. If I want to connect my LAN with the internet, very first I have to purchase a modem. Modem is required. Modulator, demodulator, it is the necessary requirement to connect your PC or to connect your network with internet. So very first I should purchase modem from the market. With the help of modem I can access internet facility. Now I just connect router with this modem. Now here two different type of routers are available. Wireless router, or we can say Wi-Fi router. With the help of Wi-Fi router you can establish, you can flow internet by using waves. You need not to connect each and every PC with a wire. And the second type of router, it is wired router. Right? Two different type of routers are there. You can purchase anyone according to your style. Suppose you want to access internet at your home. Right? At your homes means what? You want to access internet on your TV also. You want to access internet on your different mobiles that are there at your home. In these mobile also, you want to access internet on laptop PC also. Right? For that, to access the internet, we just purchase a modem with a Wi-Fi router. Right? Modem, with the help of modem, internet reaches towards your home. Now, if you apply Wi-Fi router at your home, the internet flows at your home, the internet range of this particular, according to the range of the router, the internet accessibility can be accessed throughout your home by using these Wi-Fi or radio waves. You can connect your mobiles to that router, connect your laptop, your smart TV. So a home area network, we can say personal area network, PAN, it is established with the help of Wi-Fi router only. Clear? So these two topics are here. Bridge and router, both are the networking devices, hardware equipments, and both are required if you connect two different network segments or two different networks with each other. Right? Thank you.